It's time to get trendy for 2022. Hi everyone, I'm Carrie, aka Glaministo8 here online, and today I'm going to take you guys through a quick and easy graphic liner tutorial that's going to keep your eyes trending for the new year. Makeup is something that is fun, it's expressive, and although we have our go-to makeup products that we use on a daily basis to just make us look a little bit better, a little bit more enhanced, at least awake, having some products in your arsenal that are just for fun is amazing because it really helps to amp up your everyday look, and something like a graphic liner is so great because it makes you look like you did a lot and it took literally no time. So I'm going to show you guys one of my go-to and favorite takes on the graphic eyeliner trend, and this one is like super easy, it's not scary, and it's very wearable for your everyday task, whether you're going to work, going to the grocery store, or getting ready to post a nice fire pic online. And I'll be using two of my favorite eyeliners that you can get right here from eCosmetics. So let's get into this. Basically, you're going to do your regular go-to routine, just leaving your eyes blank. And you can prep your eyes if you're going to use different eyeliners, especially if you're using light ones like the one that I'm going to be using. But this tutorial is something you can follow with any color. It does not have to be black and white, but I'm doing black and white because it's classic, and again, it's wearable for the everyday type of look. So starting off with your blank eye, you're going to first go in with a really good white retractable eyeliner, and I really like the pencil liners for this as opposed to felt tips for white. White pencil eyeliners I feel work so much better for graphic eyes because they're really easy to clean up. If you use a felt tip with a white liner, for one, I find sometimes it's harder to really get that buildup of color and opacity, but also if you're not precise the first time around, it's a little harder to clean up, I find. So I love using pencils, and one that you can get from eCosmetics that I'm using today is by NYX, and this is their retractable eyeliner pencil in white. So I always say, before you go in and start putting stuff on your eyes, see if you can imagine this imaginary little template of where things should land, so that way there's less that you have to deal with as far as cleanup or fixing later on. So going in with your white eyeliner pencil, you want to try and connect a line from the outer corner of your eye up towards the outer edge of your eyebrow. This is something that you should do whenever you apply eyeliner or eyeshadow, just so that you don't go too far out, because that can start to drag the eye down. But we are trying to make our faces look nice and lifted, okay? So going in with your white pencil, you just want to create a regular winged eye, and the pencil, again, you don't have to be as scared of, so you can really make this bold, thick. I always start off thin and then make it thicker as I go on, and you want the white wing to be thick because you're going to double wing your eyes. And the cool thing about white liner is that the thicker you make it, it does not make your eyes look smaller since it's not a dark color. So this is something that you can really easily work with. Once you have your basic winged eyeliner, you're going to take that same white pencil and you're going to create a swoop effect in your crease that kind of glides along in the same direction as your wing. So I like doing the wing first, so that way I can see exactly what direction I want to end the crease liner in. This is where we're getting graphic, okay? So we're just gonna go in the crease and wing that out. And I always like to keep a Q-tip on hand so that I can clean up any of the edges if need be. Then you're going to take your favorite liquid felt tip black liner, and the reason why we're using the liquid here is because we are layering it over the bottom edge of pencil liner. So the eyeliner I love to use is the Eyeko eyeliner Black Magic Felt Tip, and you can get this from eCosmetics as well. So this is just a regular black wing, but you're going to make it thinner than the white wing that you already have, so that you're not covering the whole thing, you're just kind of outlining it. You're giving it a little bit of a va-va-voom sensation, you know? You're making it bolder. So make sure to keep this liner as close to your lash line as possible, wing it out following the same direction, the same outline as the white liner that you have. Once you have this, your graphic eyeliner look is pretty much done. But you can always have a little bit of fun. For me, I like to pat on a little bit of glitter on my lids, just plain glitter, add some highlight to the inner corner, but really if you want to keep it simple, you can just stick with the liners, add some mascara and lashes, and you are good to go. So yeah, this is my easy go-to graphic liner look for 2022 because graphic liner is super trendy and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Once you get the hang down of this tutorial, again, you can do the same steps with different colors like pink and blue and green and purple, or any colors that match your vibe or match your aesthetic for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini tutorial for another trending eye look for 2022, and make sure that you check out the rest of the blog on eCosmetics to find more hair, makeup, skincare tutorials, etc. These tutorials will help you to make the best use out of the products that you can get here from eCosmetics. So go get trendy, go get glam, and enjoy the graphic liner moment, because she is not going anywhere.